I'm going to demonstrate largest number on Leetcode. Given a list of non-negative integers, nums, arrange them such that they form the largest number. Note, the result may be very large, so you need to return a string instead of an integer. So have an array of numbers, and they equal, and they create the largest number possible without swapping numbers, like without swapping double-digit numbers like 30 or 40. They can't be 0.3 or 0.4. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a helper function called sorted, and it's going to use the built-in JavaScript function sort. It takes in two parameters called a and b, which represent the two numbers we're looking at while we're iterating through the numbers in the array. They're going to be sorted. So we're going to sort through the nums array in the parameter. So we're using a callback function here. Now I'm going to create two variables here. The first one called AB and the second one called BA. It's going to represent the combined numbers. So what I did there was combine the two numbers, and then they just converted to strings using the built-in JavaScript function toString. And then next, we're going to return the BA variable and have AB subtracted from it. Outside of that function, I'm going to create a variable called join. It's going to take that sorted variable we just declared. Which is not a helper function, like I said before. It's actually a variable which uses a callback function. It's going to join them together as a string. The last thing I'm going to do is create an if-else statement. It's going to ask if the joined variable in a parse inted form, which is a built-in JavaScript function, is equal to 0. We're going to return 0 in string formatted. If that's not true, we're going to return the joined variable. Let's test it. That works. And that works as well. We have a linear runtime complexity, O of n, because we have a list array of numbers, which can be any size invariants.